Welcome to the infographic resume design with PowerPoint course. I'm Mulzam Shariflu. I'm a graphic designer and instructor of this course. If you are looking for a job in a reputable company, the first and most important step to getting hired is to have a professional resume. In fact, apart from being full of content, the resume should have a professional and impressive design, because this resume is your introduction letter to the desired company. In short, a professional resume is a resume that can attract the employer's attention in a short period of time. Because employers receive many resumes daily, and if your resume is different and creative, it can encourage the employer to contact you. Remember that the greatest success always begins with the brightest idea. In the tough and competitive conditions of the job market, using infographic resumes can be a factor to surpass your competitors. In this training course, I will teach you how to turn your text resume into a visual or infographic resume with the simplest software available to everyone called PowerPoint. You will see how the attention of the employer is drawn to your resume. This course is completely project-oriented. We designed the first project in A4 size and non-moving, and I can get PDF output from the project. Also, we can take a color printout of the design and take it with you to the interview session or send a file to the employer. We designed the second project with the smart menus and with hyperlink functionality and interactively. This type of resume design can be suitable for people who have a lot of information on their resume, because we categorize the resume information and it becomes easier to access the information. A PDF output can be obtained from this project, and also a PowerPoint file can be provided to the employer. I hope to be your host in this training course.